An oocyte surrounded by its corona radiata of granulosa cells, or an early embryo if fertilized. These structures are exposed to hormones, which can be made by the lining of the oviduct, by the granulosa cells, or by the oocyte or embryo itself. These hormones can act in a paracrine fashion, affecting neighboring cells, or an oocyte can make autocrine hormones which affect itself. These hormones include the GnRH, which is made by both the embryo and the lining of the oviduct, and the activin, which is suppressing the enzymes which would degrade the zona pellucida and allow for implantation. This then inhibits the formation of a placenta while the embryo is passing through the fallopian tube. The oocyte slash embryo can make GnRH, can make steroid hormones, perhaps because it makes GnRH and has a mini HPG axis, and by the morula stage of embryonic development, the embryo can make the inhibin and follistatin, which inhibit the activin, and thus will allow the degradation of the zona pellucida and the formation of a placenta. GnRH will also allow the production of the HCG, the human chorionic gonadotropin, which will be the first signal of pregnancy to the mother's body, in addition to serving functions within the embryo itself. And so the early embryo during its first week in life is exposed to hormones that it itself makes, made by the surrounding granulosa cells and by the cells lining the oviduct.